Hey guys, what's up? This is F5 Tornado Man F4 here, and got a box of Tristar Elegance today in the mail. Ordered it off DA Cardboard, and we got a special guest on the mic, Joe Holman. What up? You want to say something? Okay, so he's gonna be here because he's the person I know that likes minor league baseball cards the most, besides me. So let's get busting on this. Hope to get some nice like Evan Longoria. Yep, call was lost. I'll call him back. Hold on a second, guys. Menu. Text. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm in my basement right now, so it's probably me.
Alright.
But I'll see if I can get this done for close again. Okay, first pack.
Alright.
Okay, first we got Jose Tabata base card, not numbered. Next we got Chris Volstad autograph, not too bad. It keeps getting lost. Next we got an Adrian Cardenas. This is Tony's boy, and nice Tim Lincecum game used jersey. So that's a really nice card. And next we have Jeff Samardzija base. So this isn't working out too well. So I'm gonna take the box and go in here, and we'll call Joe back. So hold on a second, guys. Peace. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Kept on losing service with Joe because I was in my basement, but he's back now. So let's get busting on pack 2.
Right.
Evan Longoria auto or something. Ryan Braun. Nice. Shout out to Tommy Bello. Shut up, bitch. Is there anybody that you want to give a shout out to? Special?
I don't know, bro. Give any out to you.
Shout out to Bobo.
Shout out to Mark. From the... You know who Mark is, Alex?
Which Mark?
I don't think you were asked to last time.
No, I'm not sure. Oh, anyway. Oh, okay. Okay, first we got a Ryan Patterson base, not numbered, so we have another Chris Volstad autograph. So that's 2. Wow, another Adrian Cardenas or whatever, whoever. So I'll ship one of these to Tony, so he can, because I know Tony likes that. We got a Carlos Carrasco game used jersey. He's actually not too bad, so he's a Phillies prospect. And Brandon Irby base. So first 2 packs were kind of but there's still a patch in here, so this one feels thick, so it's probably the patch. Okay, on top we have a Carlos Gonzalez base card. Next we have a Jeremy Papelbon autograph. Cubs organization. Next we have a Matt Sweeney autograph. He's pretty good. I had Bad Boy Trim a couple years back. He was decent. And the patch is going to be, oh, sick. Oh, it's Tim Lincecum, 3 colors with like 1, 2, 3, 4 breaks. It's red, white, and gray. Sick patch.
What's that number 2?
Timmy Lincecum. It's not numbered at all, which is strange, but really sick patch.
Oh, sick, yeah.
Because I really have not seen very many like Tim Lincecums pulled out of this, because I've watched a lot of this product, and I've seen like Brian Braun and like Hunter Pence and stuff, but I've never seen a Tim Lincecum, so
yeah, me neither. That's sick.
very sick patch. And a Luis Perez base. So that Tim Lincecum patch is really nice. That definitely beat the first 2 boxes, or first 2 packs. 1 pack left. Yep, get something nice. I swear, if I get another Chris Volstead auto, I'm gonna ship one to you if I get another one. Do you have any favorite players out of the 2007 minor league season, or?
Not really. Not so much, other than Dodgers and stuff.
Yeah. Well, here's a Carlos Gonzalez base. Not numbered. We have a Gorkas Hernandez. He was pretty good. I got Bad Boy Trim also.
You know I got his baseball.
Yeah, I saw that. And that Luke Hughes, I still want that. Gonna have to work out a trade. Next auto is a Chris Marrero in the Nationals. I've heard of him.
Yep, me too.
I think he's a catcher, so and they need help at that position. So another Carlos Carrasco jersey, exact same color.
Yeah.
Joe, this one is going to you.
Okay.
This one is because I know he's like good, but I don't want. It's the exact same color. It's like a pea white.
Damn. It wasn't the worst box. You got a lot of devils, but...
And a Cooper Brennan base. So yeah, but this Tim Lincecum. Yeah, I got 2 Chris Volstead autos, 2 Andres Cardenas or whatever, and 2 Carlos Carrasco jerseys, and this sick Tim Lincecum patch. It's definite PC, but yeah. So thank you, Joe, for being live on this Tristar Elegance break. You got any last words to say? Any shout-outs?
Peace out, niggas. Copyright Tom Bello.
Yes, peace out, niggas. So thank you, Joe, and that's about it, guys. Peace.